Let's begin micro lesson 0.1, setting expectations. In micro lesson 0.1, we'll outline the core focus of the Flexible Course Experience Institute, and we'll set achievable goals in the context of the Institute's focus. We're doing this because although the world keeps changing, we need to find ways to make our own changes to adapt. At the same time, we need to practice making small changes that will be effective and that are a reasonable amount of work. Let's start by recognizing that we've all been working hard. Regardless of your role, teaching part-time while working to pay the bills, teaching full-time, or working full-time supporting teachers and learners, like every person in higher education, you have found, reached, or exceeded your limits. Many of us made it through because we adopted a "we're in this together" attitude. Well, we're still in this together. The focus of this institute is to explore ways to increase flexibility in our courses. That means different things to different people. Some of you may be focused on managing multiple technology platforms or managing multiple learning modalities at the same time. Some of you want to know how to make equivalent learning experiences for people in your classroom and people learning from home. As a group, we have a range of different goals and needs. To address this variety of needs related to this one area of focus, we're putting out a buffet. You only have to take what you want or what you need right now. You can always come back for more. At the same time, it's a limited buffet. We're not going to overwhelm you with choices. We're also going to talk about how to make sure that we keep our workload in check. I am not asking you to redesign your entire course. Together or on your own, you'll go through these modules and micro lessons designed for faculty who want to increase flexibility for students. All of the activities are designed to help you add flexibility to your course experiences. If some of the lessons don't make sense for your campus's prescribed course delivery methods, or if they don't make sense for you personally, then skip them. In the spirit of managing workloads, pick just one or two things from each module that you'll do to increase flexibility for students. Along the way, I've added what I call meta moments for people guiding and supporting faculty learners. If these meta moments don't pertain to you, you're welcome to look behind the curtain at an instructional design or academic technology idea, or you can skip them. Here's one now. Here's our first one. If you'll be running your own institute this summer, you can reuse this course however you want. You can run an institute in a box. Basically, make a copy of this course as it is, and then play my video recordings at your workshops. When I say now press pause and go do an activity, you lead the activity, and when it's finished, you press play again and keep going. I'll explain them afterwards. Second, you can customize the institute. You can download the course template, my slides and scripts to build your own version of the course, record or facilitate your own micro lessons, and so on. Last, you can scrap the institute for parts. You can use any part of the institute or its materials to develop your own institute, whatever works for you. Next, we're going to take a moment to think about what you want to get out of this Flexible Course Experience Institute, and we'll share that in the discussion forum called Module 0, Take Action. When you're ready, start the next micro lesson where we define what we mean by flexibility.